Writing a multi-step inequality for a real-world situation. At the state fair, admission at the gate is $11. In addition, the cost of each ride is $4. Suppose that Ivana will go on X number of rides. Ivana wants the total number of dollars she spends on admission and rides to be fewer than T. Using the values and the variables given, write an inequality describing this. So first we just need to be clear. When it says using the values and variables given, the values are just the numbers, so 11 and 4, and the variables are x and t. So we need to make sure that each of those four things are in our inequality. Alright, so let's talk about it. We know that when she shows up to the fair, if she goes in, even if she doesn't go on any rides, she's going to have to pay $11 no matter what. We know that. But we also know that she probably is going to go to the fair and probably going to want to go on some rides. So she's going to be paying $4 per ride. If X is a number of rides and she has to pay $4 per ride, if she goes on one ride, it's $4, two rides, $8, three rides, $12, right? So we're multiplying. So we're going to add 4X because it's $4 per ride on top of the $11 entry fee. All right. That part's not bad. Now it says, Ivana wants the total number of dollars she spends on admissions and rides, which we represented by this. This here is the total amount of money she spends on admissions and on rides put together. And she wants that to be fewer than T. So if it says fewer than T, do you think this could be exactly equal to T? No, because it has to be fewer than. So the money she spends needs to be less than T. And that's all they want. All you need to do is write the inequality, and you don't even have to solve it.